Okay, I'm Charles McMahon, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to go through the preparation steps for using this wood splitter. First thing we're going to do is we're going to check the level of the hydraulic fluid. So we're going to do this, we're going to have to set it up on its end. So we're going to do it again by lifting it with our legs like this and set it all the way up on its end. And then we're going to get a little hex wrench here and undo the end of the dipstick, which is what I'm doing right now. So we're going to take the dipstick out and check the level of the oil. And we can see that it's in between the two markers, so we've got plenty of hydraulic fluid in there. So we're going to tighten that. The other step we're going to do after we tighten that is we're going to let this little air valve open. So we got to make 4 complete turns of this. So we have to open this up to let the air out when the thing is operating, and when we're finished, we shut this off. So that's the basic preparation for using this.